हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू ट्रेड जिम। आज है 3rd of September एंड एक्सपायरी हो चुकी है हमारी। एक्सपायरी वाज अगेन, आई मीन इट वाज easy to trade but it went a little bit very in the end. Let's just see how the expiry was. So honestly, I lost 50% of my profit in this one candle. So हुआ क्या कि we were good till over here, and 11 बोल रहा हूँ, sorry, 350 255 के आसपास this big down move came and I was short on 23600 puts and वो उन्होंने स्टॉप हिट कर दिया। यहाँ कहीं पे स्टॉप लगा हुआ था and it hit the stop loss. That is fine. No problem over there. The expiry was quite easy. If you see in the morning, the market opened up and कल से ही we got an RSI divergence यहाँ पे. So no matter how up we opened, it was still lower on the RSI. So it was a clear short from here. And after that, 20 moving average, say we took resistance and we kept falling. Then we again went up and then we again took resistance at the very same level and then we again came down. यहाँ पे लग रहा था ऐसा कि ऊपर को ब्रेकआउट दे देगा, बट नो, इट वाज अ ट्रैप probably for all the buyers, and then यहाँ पे they all got caught. So all in all, if you would have traded on the basic principle of support and resistance, कि you wait for some time, you see okay this is a resistance, and then this was the first time it turned, so you start selling calls from this place, so 2380, 2390 and higher levels. And then again, when you see over here at 778 is taking, then you again add more 23800 and 23700. When it comes down and reverses from here, then you can again hedge your position by selling 23600 puts. But every time you're selling options, you need to understand one thing which is very important, कि आपका stop should be in place. ऐसा होता है कि मतलब 80% ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑन एक्सपायरी होता है कि मार्केट इज रेंज बाउंड. टुडे ऑल्सो इट वाज मेजरली रेंज बाउंड. इफ यू सी दिस वाज द मेजर रेंज दैट यू वर ट्रेडिंग इन 3-4 दिनों से, not 3-4 दिन but from the time we had that big downfall, right? So this is the major range that we are trading in. So अगर आप range के हिसाब से भी देखोगे तो भी on the opening you were at the higher part of the range, so you could have sold calls and there should be a stop somewhere around 21 24 200 or something like that. Anyway, so now the main part of the video which we are coming to is not Bank Nifty or Nifty as of now, but it is Nasdaq. And look at this. ये भाई कौन सी डोजी है? ये मुझे भी इसका टर्म नहीं याद है which kind of doji it is, but let me just search. I think it is Gravestone doji. I don't really remember the exact terminology. So no, this is not the Gravestone. This is probably some other kind of a doji. So finally, we are now correcting, and we are down on the Nasdaq today by 2%. Dow Jones is not correcting that bad, but if you see यहाँ पे भी inverted hammer sort of condition बनने लगी है. And similarly on the S&P, I'm not sure where it went. Yeah, so S&P also gap down, and there also such a condition is situation is now building up. So sorry. Now the thing is कि let's just go back to USD INR. Last video में मैंने discuss किया था that 72.5 we were around this channel, and we should be going somewhere higher यहाँ पे 72.5 से. So 73 is acting like a good support. If you see 73 से good buying emerged yesterday also and today also. So we are getting follow through. Right now we are at 20 MA and we may take support and go up from here. So I mean the dollar is playing out how we planned, and similarly the dollar index, if we'll see, that is also playing out the way we analyzed few days back. So not sure if this was the chart only, but yeah, uh, 92 levels say it is taking support and it should spend some time over here and then move up. Now, if you see on the RSI, we are about to break the a previous high of RSI. So the momentum looks to be building up. The move can come a day or two later, but the momentum is of course higher. उसका clear signal आपका ये भी है negative divergence. So that is one thing. Now coming back to Indian markets, a very interesting thing happening. If we go to the so basically Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm avoiding to analyze right now because uh, सॉरी. सो निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि जब से ये अभी 31st से नया रूल लगा है तो उसकी वजह से आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ बेटर टेक्निकल फॉलोइंग इंडेक्स एज ऑफ नाउ क्योंकि उधर थोड़ा स्पेकुलेशन ज़्यादा चल रहा है एंड ऑलमोस्ट दे ऑल गो टुगेदर हैंड इन हैंड बट आई एम जस्ट प्रेफरिंग राइट नाउ टू गो ऑन विद दिस. Now, if you see on the Sensex, now this is the first time I'm covering Sensex, Sensex I think. So Sensex and every indicator and every indices, uh, broke this trend line 31st को. And now if you see this, मैंने बोला था कि inside candle है, इसका low break होएगा तो we'll trade. And I think Bank Nifty broke the low or something like that. No, it is still trading on the lower side. Didn't really break it. So Nifty also, but uh, look at what I'm talking about here. The thing is कि जो trend line थी, I'm expecting this move to occur like soon or probably by tomorrow. If not, really, we should go on something like this. So this is a classic, what do we call that? A trend line break and a resistance test, and then continue the trend. So if this was a trend reversal candle, then we must, fall down in a day or two, probably tomorrow or maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday. Monday, US में छुट्टी है, so there would be lack of volume. So either it has to be tomorrow or it is going to be Tuesday. And and this time I don't think so. We'll take support on the 20 MA. If you look at the Fibonacci also for this candle, I think we have touched the 50% mark or not. Yeah, so we exactly touched the 50% and we are trading below that. And the setup looks very good. Your stop is going to be somewhere around 61% and above. But yeah, so let's just be ready to sell if the low breaks. And if this low breaks, so basically it can be a trap. Now, how to avoid that trap is that let me just show you. So what I'm planning to do is this is my right, this is my today's activity. So if we break the low for today, consider we are opening. So right now we're trading around 527. So it should be similar to these levels only 39,050 around. So if so this is a trend line first of all, right? So if we break this, then there's one chance that we should not go short. And if we somehow go and start to trade above 39,120, which is 61% level, say for around 15 minutes, if I get a close on a 15-minute candle and then the next candle is about to break its high, so we'll exit. अगर ये तब की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं जब ये लो ब्रेक करता है एंड देन इट स्टार्ट्स टू रिवर्स. सो बेसिकली what I'm trying to say over here is कि consider tomorrow we open somewhere around here, right? क्या है ये? Draw कैसा हो रहा है ये? Where is the doodle? Oh, yeah, I don't know man. जो भी है ये. So consider we open somewhere around here, and then we take resistance from the trend line and we start to come down, and then we break the low, and then we spend some time over here, right? We're not going down, and then we again start to go up. So अगर यहाँ पे if we're going up, इतनी देर में, if this is the exact move that the market does, तो फिर trend line should be your stop. Otherwise, what can happen also is let me just delete it all. ये बड़ा खराब लग रहा है मुझे इसका इंटरफेस. हाउ टू अनडू थिंग्स इन दिस? डू यू हैव एनीथिंग? पता नहीं क्या है ये. Let's just choose another color. Uh, Probably that will be easy. So what else can happen is we open gap down. If we open gap down, तो ये move आ जाएगा जल्दी. And if we open gap up, then I'll see if I am crossing the 50% mark. If not, then I'll prefer to sell and then I'll continue my down move. So that can be the plan for tomorrow. Uh, let's see how the market reacts. I just hope it's not a lot of gap down क्योंकि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा gap down हुआ तो यहाँ पे if you notice I'll just try to remove the drawings and see if we can okay बड़ा ख़राब है यार ये तो. I just need to remove all this stuff. तो अगर what the other point which we need to take care of is that अगर if we are considering this, so if you look at this, it is a triangular consolidation pattern, right? This looks like to be a triangular consolidation pattern जिसका high तुम्हारा ये हो रहा है. So every pattern that you can see in the last 5 days, no matter on what time frame, it's suggesting that it is going to continue the bearish pattern. So this pattern also you must have read somewhere कि ये अभी यहाँ 20 पे support लिया है, but somewhere it should consolidate over here and it will break on the downside. So this happens, and if you see in hindsight, there's a double top also. So everything looks to be bearish, but if everything is bearish, doesn't mean that it will fall. So this and now a very interesting thing. If you just look at this much, this part of the chart, कि यहाँ से गिरा, ये ऐसे गया, फिर ऐसे गया, फिर ऐसे गया, and now we'll go back to March. So just try to identify ये गिरा ये ऐसे गया ऐसा है ऐसे गया. So we are somewhere around this point, in the hourly time frame of the last week. So this was the triangle which was uh, it was making last time. So ये हमने कर लिया है and we are somewhere in this down move. So this can also happen, So anything can happen. It's just that you need to look at the minute details and have your stops correct. Having the stops at the right place is the key to make the right trade, no matter where you enter right now. So basically, you can go short below this, you can also go short at the opening, you can go short at the break of this. You'll just miss some points, but you need to be I mean, if the trend is reversing, then you need to have your stop in the right place so that you get out of the trade correctly. So right now, getting in is not that important. Jitna getting out is important. So anyway, so this is the analysis for tomorrow and maybe Tuesday. We don't know when it will work out, but let's just hope it does. And happy trading. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching. Bye bye.